Salam dostlar, Erkin bilan ingliz tili YouTube kanalimga kelganingizda qarshi olaman. Men Erkin. Welcome to English with Erkin YouTube channel. I'm Erkin. İngliz tilini o'zgacha, yengil, erkin o'rganishni xohlasangiz, kanalimning yaxshi do'sti bo'ling. Bugungi videomizda ingliz tilidagi jup-jupi bilan keladigan tuvandagi 7 xil intayin qo'llanishchan bo'lgan ifodalash shakllari bilan tanishamiz. Diqqatingiz davomli videoda bo'lsin. Number 1. Pros and cons. Advantages and disadvantages of something. Ma'lum bir ishning foydali yoki foydasiz taraflari, yaxshi yomon taraflari va yoki ijobiy va salbiy taraflari degan ma'noni bildirdi. Bu yerdagi pros deganimiz ijobiy taraflarga vakillik qildi, cons bo'lsa salbiy taraflarga vakillik qildi. Misol ko'raylik. I made a list of all the pros and cons of each school before I made my decision. I made a list of all the pros and cons of each school before I made my decision. Maktabni tanlashdan burun tizimlikdagi barliq maktablarning yaxshi yomon taraflarini, foydali foydasiz, ijobiy salbiy taraflarini hammani tizib chiqdim degan ma'no bo'ldi. Number 2. Sick and tired. Extremely frustrated or annoyed by something. Bu yerdagi sick bo'lsa kasal, tired bo'lsa erib ketish yoki charchash degan ma'no bildirdi. Birlikda charchadim, chidag'uchiligim qolmadi degan ma'noni ifodalaydi. Masalan, I'm sick and tired of working long hours for such little pay. I'm going to quit my job. I am sick and tired of working long hours for such little pay. I'm going to quit my job. Bu ozg'ina maosh uchun uzun xizmat qilib, charchadim, men xizmatimdan iste'fo berman degan ma'no bo'ldi. Number 3. By and large. In general, usually. Cho'ng jihatdan aytganda, umumiylikdan aytganda degan ma'no bildirdi. There are couple of things that I don't like about Marseille, but by and large, it's a nice place to live. There are a couple of things that I don't like about Marseille, but by and large, it's a nice place to live. Marseille shahrining yoqtirmaydigan bir qancha taraflari bor, ammo cho'ng jihatdan aytganda, bu bir yashashga moslashgan yaxshi joy degan ma'noda. Number 4. Sooner or later. Meaning, something will definitely happen, although we don't know when. Hamon bir kuni degan ma'noda bo'ldi.
Sooner or later, you're gonna need a tissue.
We are all going to die sooner or later. We are all going to die sooner or later. Hammamiz hamon bir kuni o'lib ketamiz degan ma'no bo'ldi. Number 5. Give or take. Possibly a little more or little less than the amount or time mentioned. Bu xil ifodalash shaklining ma'nosi bo'lsa, taxminan degan ma'no bo'ldi. Vaqt yoki pul uchun ishlatildi. Pulga ishlatilganda biz ingliz tilida deydigan oz kam degan ma'noni ifodalaydi. Misol ko'raylik. I'll be there by 6 p.m. give or take a few minutes. I'll be there by 6 p.m. give or take a few minutes. Taxminan 6larda, tushdan keyin soat 6 atrofida u yerda bo'laman degan ma'no bo'ldi. Well, it costs 200 euros give or take. Buni oz kam 200 euro oldim degan ma'noda. Number 6. Off and on or on and off. Bu xil ifodalash shakliga men tushuncha berman va misol tuzab berman. Uyg'urcha tarjimasini siz qiling. Agar qila olsangiz, muvofiq so'z topa olsangiz, videoning ostidagi inkoz supsiga yozib qo'ysangiz bo'ldi. Off and or on and off. Happening or existing only some of the time. Masalan, how long have you been with Jenny? Well, you know, we've been dating on and off. Tarjimasini siz qiling. Number 7. Short and sweet. Very quick and directly to the point. Qisqa, ixcham, ahamiyatli degan ma'noda buldum. Her presentation yesterday was short and sweet. She gave a great overview of the topic in just 15 minutes. Her presentation yesterday was short and sweet. She gave a great overview of the topic in just 15 minutes. Bu qizning tunugunki doklati yoki tunugunki mushkul temani tushundirishi nihoyatda ixcham, ma'nilik, ahamiyatli bo'ldi. 15 minut ichida temaga munosabatlik bir cho'ng jihatdan tushuncha berdi, nihoyat unumli bo'ldi degan ma'noda. Xo'sh do'stlar, bugungi darsimizning mazmuni mushagacha bo'ldi. Bu videoni bahrlab qo'yishni unutmang. Savollaringiz bo'lsa, video ostidagi inkas qismiga ham yozib qo'yishni unutmang. Kelar hafta ko'rishaylik. Xayr xo'sh.